right, y'all, so we are going to be starting off with 3 buckets of water. It's hot water. You guys can see that it is steaming, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the colorant. This is our unit. It's a long 26-inch unit. This was sent to me from CURLYME, so shout out to them. It's a beautiful unit, and I can't wait to see what this color is gonna turn out like. So you guys, I did a napkin test to test these colors out before I actually put it on the hair because I didn't have a piece of hair to do it on. So this is the OG way to do it. So the colorway that I'm gonna do today is this one over here. This is the color job that we're gonna be doing on this side, the closest to me. And then that other side was just for me to test out the different colors and see how dark they were. The colors that I'm using, because a lot of people don't tell you what colors they use. So I'm gonna be using Funky Yellow. I'm gonna be using Paprika, Cajun Spice. So the first part that I'm gonna do is the top half, okay? I'm gonna do the top half, and I don't know how far down I'm gonna go, but I think I wanna go at least to like right here, like where this line is, somewhere around here, and then we'll do the next section like that. So I feel like I wanna even add more yellow. I feel like this isn't yellow enough for me. I want the color to be like this, so.
Give all that you got now. Make you want me 'cause I'm hot now. I'm gone, so faded, I'm on one. Bang, bang, pop off like a long gun. If you ain't making no noise, get ready to turn up with the big boy. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an ember. Make the money, make the grip. I be stunning with my click. Get it faded till we trip. I love to get on, I love to get too on. When the drink be too strong, when the drink be way too strong. Get it turned up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Can't let you go down, then go more down, then we can keep it in, let's roll. I love to get too on, let's roll. I love to get too on, I love to let's roll.
So now y'all can kind of see the vibe that we're going for, and then the red in there. This is paprika. I'm gonna put some paprika, more of this in there, and I think I might add just a little bit of this rich amber just to darken it up a little bit more, so it's a little bit more of like a rich red wine type of color. And then I'm gonna come back once this air dries and of course apply it with y'all, but I did want to show y'all how I got the color.
It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I'm thinking you might be with somebody. This shit. It's different when I'm thinking like being with somebody.
Got me thinking.
Dom the Tastemaker, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, you guys, I did something a little bit more creative, and I wanted to do something that was really inspired by the fall season and like the leaves and the leaf color. So this is the look that I came up with. So it's just like this yellow ombre that goes into this orange, that goes into this beautiful like cherry red color. It's so pretty, you guys. I absolutely love the way this color came out, and you can really see like the orange like when it blends in here with the yellow, and it's like a nice little pop. And I really like this color, you guys. I think I did an amazing job. I did show you guys how I got this color using the watercolor method. I will say, when doing the watercolor method, when you do ombre hair, it can be a little bit difficult just because it's certain parts of the hair that you might not get the color on when you're doing the ombre method. Like, it was certain strands that I'm sure you guys saw that weren't as like vibrant as like the rest of the hair. It was like kind of patchy, like in the like underneath, like it was just a little bit patchy, not at the top, but definitely like in that in-between hair. So I will just say, if you are to like try this look or anything like that, just keep that in mind, you know, that may be a possibility. So I'm not sure on the length of this unit. I want to say this is like a 26-inch unit or whatever. This is where it's currently hitting me in the front. Here's what it looks like from the back. I'll set back here too so you guys can really get a good look like where it's hitting me. So this is where it gets in the back. I feel like I didn't get my hair as straight as I wanted it to be. Pretty lengthy. It's pretty long. This is what it looks like all in the back. I don't really know what the back looks like, so I'll be surprised when I see this in editing. But this is what the back is looking like right now. Side profile view. Y'all already know I'm coming through with the 360 views for y'all, okay? And the hair is swinging. And the hair ain't stiff. Okay, period. Yeah, you guys, so really like this. I love how the color came out, and I did of course use 3 different dyes to get this color. This look will be so bomb curled, so I'm definitely gonna wear this look again, but I just wanted you guys to see also how it looks straight, so you guys can see like the beautiful color that's in there, and just like look how beautiful and healthy this hair is. I absolutely love it. I was so excited about like my finished look that I forgot to even say who this video is sponsored by. So today's video is sponsored by CURLYME Hair. So thank you so much to CURLYME for sending over this unit. I have worked with CURLYME in the past, and I absolutely love them, you guys. So the last time that I worked with them would probably be maybe about like 7 months ago or so. It's been a really long time. And the last time that I reviewed a unit from them, it was like this black unit. You guys went crazy over that hair. It is so gorgeous, and I still have that unit because I absolutely love the hair. I think CURLYME is definitely one of those companies that you should definitely be on the lookout for because they have really good curly and straight hair. This is their 613 blonde unit. This is a 13x4 613 unit. Now I will say that I absolutely love this blonde hair because a lot of times blonde hair can look like Barbie doll hair, but CURLYME has a fire 613 blonde hair. So if you're looking for some hair that's blonde hair but it acts like regular hair and it doesn't like act funny, because you guys know like that 613 hair is just something different. Now I will say that I have received shedding with this hair. There is some shedding with it. Let me see if I have it shedding now. Yeah, I have a couple of strands here that came out. At least like 3. Pull them all together. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, so there is some shedding with this hair, so I do want to let you know that. I feel like that's pretty typical for like blonde units sometimes. Like they just shed. I don't know what it is about the blonde hair, but girl, like the knots do not be secure or something, because that hair just be slipping right on out, okay? So yeah, you guys, absolutely love it. Like I said, this is a 26-inch unit. This unit is pretty full though. I'm not sure on the density, but I would argue that this is like 180% density. It's very full, which I love, because there's nothing worse than getting a unit and it's just like super thin. Like nobody wants a thin unit. We want something that's thick and full all the way down to the ends, and that's exactly what you get with this unit, and I love that about this hair. From the very first time that I've ever worked with CURLYME, I love their hair. So yeah, you guys, that about wraps up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you like it that much, make sure you share it with a friend, and I know you guys probably will want to try it out yourselves if you are into like the very vibrant colors, because me, you guys, I'm literally not afraid to try anything. I will try anything at least one time, okay? Like as far as hairstyles go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next